Doctors and health experts continue to tell us don't touch your face. It's an effort to slow down the spread of the coronavirus. But for people who wear contact lenses, it can be kind of tricky. CBS 17's Jamise Price spoke with an eye doctor who's explaining why you might want to ditch the contacts and grab the glasses. Jamise?
Yeah, when it comes to contact lenses versus eyeglasses right now, that's a big part of the conversation during this pandemic. And one optometrist says it depends on the person and their experience with both. But he says right now, one is safer than the other. Dr. Michael Minson with UNC Health says he's getting calls from patients who wear contact lenses wanting to know if they should switch to glasses.
If both are available to you, then I think wearing glasses would be the safest.
He says glasses can help protect you from any harmful droplets that could come from a person coughing or sneezing. It also helps to reduce the amount of times you touch your face.
What we do know is that one of the ways that this virus is spread is by touching a contaminated surface and then touching your face. Having the glasses on, it would be another barrier that you would have to remove to rub your eyes.
Dr. Minson says glasses are the safest route right now, but contacts aren't bad. In fact, he was wearing contacts during our interview.
If you are good with your contact lenses, if you are thoroughly washing your hands before you put them in and take them out and are not rubbing your hands or rubbing your eyes throughout the day, I don't see an issue with you wearing contact lenses still.
But if you are experiencing issues with your contact lenses, Dr. Minson says ditch them.
If your contact lenses tend to get dry or irritated and you feel that you need to put a lubricating drop in or rub the eyes, then I would recommend that you switch over to the glasses.
The best thing you can do wearing glasses or contacts is making sure you're constantly washing your hands and practicing social distancing. In Wake County, Jamise Price, CBS 17 News.